Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandra and this is my story. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the thumbs up button if you like this video and turn on the notification bell to see my videos every Tuesday. In today's video, guys, I'm really excited about that because I promised you, I think 2 weeks ago, if I remember well, I promised you that I'm gonna do a video, a very basic makeup tutorial about how to look fresh, how to look beautiful for a Zoom meeting or whatever, Microsoft Teams or Google Hangouts or whatever platform you are using at work, or to be more specific, when you are working from home. If you didn't see my video with 10 tips and tricks about how to boost your productivity, I'm gonna leave a link somewhere here or here. I don't know where, somewhere here. And I hope you will manage to boost your productivity while you are working from home. Speaking of work, in today's video I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial, like very basic makeup tutorial for this look. So if you want to see how I realize this makeup look, then please keep on watching. First thing that you need to think about is the outfit, guys. You don't need any glam or elegant outfit when it comes to a Zoom session or a very important meeting with some managers or like the CEO of the company or something like that. You need to have a smart casual approach. Even if you have those like very comfortable trousers, kind of tracksuit, but not like the trousers from the tracksuit, if it makes any sense. Even if you have this kind of trousers, you can keep them because no one will ask you to stand up and they are not gonna analyze your outfit. But when it comes to maybe t-shirts or shirts or jumpers, you can choose something more business, not necessarily tie and shirt and things like that. So at this point I have my pajamas on, so I'm gonna change my pajama with just a regular jumper. It's literally just a jumper with some details here and here. It looks nice and it's not very I don't know, uncomfortable, or I'm not feeling cold, I'm not feeling warm. It's perfect, basically. Moving forward to my favorite part from this video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to look decent wearing minimal makeup products. Of course, if we have a bad day, if we couldn't sleep last night, we're gonna have some bags under eye, we're gonna have some pimples. My forehead looks very bad this morning, so I'm gonna do something about that. And make sure that you look fresh. You don't need to put a lot of makeup. You can go with your let's say maybe top 5 essential products. Please keep in mind you have already applied your skincare, your skin is very hydrated, is ready for a new day. Now let me put this thingy on my hair because I need to see my face. And I'm gonna start directly with the foundation. Let's imagine that it's early in the morning, you are very tired, you are very sleepy, you didn't get your coffee yet, and you don't have time, you don't have an hour to spend to do your makeup. You have this meeting at 8 o'clock, it's very important. You need some time to go through the presentation, to do like a small rehearsal before the call, so you don't have time to spend doing your makeup. So we will start directly with the foundation. The brands are not important today. Today is important to understand what type of product we need to create that fresh makeup look. When it comes to foundation, you need a luminous foundation, especially if your skin is dull and you feel your skin very tired. You will need a luminous foundation. You don't need full coverage because please keep in mind that the camera from your laptop is not filming in 4K, you know, so the people in the call won't be able to see your pores or your pimples. So try to keep like a small medium coverage. I'm gonna apply it with my beauty sponge. You can apply it with whatever you want, guys, even if it's a brush or just with your fingers. I don't know, whatever makes you happy. So the application doesn't need to be perfect. It's just a I don't know, like a retouch of the face to make sure that your skin looks nice. You can also get rid of foundation and apply only concealer on your concerned area, let's say, so under your eye area, on different spots, pimples, redness, and so on. I'm gonna apply the concealer only under my eye area, and usually I like to apply a bit of concealer on my eyelids as well, because my eyelids are pretty transparent. You can see all the veins there. And I don't like it, to be honest. And then with the same beauty sponge, just blend this out. As you can see, this concealer is moisturizing. It doesn't have a full coverage. I don't need full coverage. I just need some glowy skin. Cool. If you have combination and oily skin, you will need to set up your makeup with powder, because even if you do your makeup for this Zoom session or call or meeting or whatever, you will want your makeup to stay longer, right? If you have dry skin and you don't need to apply powder on, then it's totally fine. I like to apply powder only to fix my concealer, so under my eye area, on my eyelids, and of course on my forehead, because for some reason I have dry skin, but my forehead is kind of not oily, but I feel like I need to set the foundation on with some powder. You don't need to apply too much product. It's enough just to top a bit of powder. Let me zoom in a little bit for you guys to see my skin texture. So this is how the foundation looks like. It's very natural, it's glowy, which is the most important thing, and of course I set up my makeup with a bit of powder. Moving forward, we don't have enough time to sculpt our faces, or maybe you have enough time and you would like to do that, but if not, you can apply just a blush or a bronzing powder. It depends on your preference, and you will get that healthy cheeks healthy cheeks look that you will help to look fresh. My cheeks. Of course, just so you know, guys, I can't live without contouring. So even if I don't have time to apply the full makeup on, I kind of get rid of the blush and I apply the contouring, because I feel like my face is huge, and I like to have my face contoured. But for the purpose of this video, we'll go only with the blush, because this is something that will help you guys, so we don't need to apply 100 products on our faces. Another tip, if you'd like to, if you want to have a bit of dimension on your eyes, you can apply the same blush on your eyelid. It's just in your crease, to be more specific, and you don't need any precision. It's literally applying a bit of color, and you can go on your eyelid as well. Because if you create a bit of dimension, you will enhance your eyes. Moving forward, you would like to have some mascara on, because we know mascara can enhance our look. Mascara will define our lashes, so the makeup will be completed, or the makeup will look complete. Now, you can choose a volume mascara, you can choose a mascara for long lashes, you can choose... That was my alarm, by the way. It's 7 o'clock, so I was supposed to wake up now, but I'm already filming, so it's a very productive morning. You can go with whatever mascara you like, guys, so it doesn't matter. The important thing is to feel comfortable when you're wearing it. Now, for the eyebrows, this is a different conversation. Some people like to brush them up or contour them. Some people, like me, when I don't have time, I leave them like this. I don't apply anything on my eyebrows. But if you are looking to style them a bit, you can use a gel mascara for eyebrows. Even if it's transparent or it has a bit of a shade, it has a bit of a pigment, you can use it to brush them up and your eyebrows will look full and you will keep the natural finish. So as you can see the difference. Cool. We discussed about the eyebrows. We have 2 more steps. One of it is optional, so the next one will be optional for you guys, but I'm obsessed with it. I cannot live without highlighter. Even if I'm going to the store to get something and I don't have time to put my makeup on, I'm applying some highlighter on my like clean face. I feel like they offer you that perfect glow. And now you can choose a soft highlighter if you don't like those like bold cheeks, or if you can go with a more intense one. I like intense highlighters and I like to apply them on the highest point of my cheeks. Oh, I love it. Sometimes I can go over the blush as well, and I have such a glow. And if you want to go on the brighter side, you can apply it on your cupid's bow, the bridge of the nose, and on your forehead. I have a mirror down here, that's why I'm looking down. I'm literally obsessed with this highlighter. Sometimes, I told you, I apply only highlighter and you can see that highlighter in the Zoom meeting and it looks so glam, so glam. I'm obsessed with it. Again, if you don't like it, you can get rid of it. And the last step for today, guys, I'm gonna keep this short and then I'm gonna transform a bit the makeup look just for you guys to understand what is my type of makeup look, like very fast and professional makeup look, because we want to look professional. We can't look like clowns or something like that. The last step is to apply a lipstick. You can apply a lipstick, you can apply a lip gloss, you can apply a lip balm and keep your lips natural. It's up to you guys. I'm gonna apply a very moisturizing lipstick because I feel my lips pretty dry, and I'm gonna go with a nude shade because I feel like I don't need bold lips and I don't have time to contour my lips and to apply, I don't know, a purple shade or a red shade or whatever. So I'll go with a very moisturizing shiny nude. It's very easy to apply it. I'm ready for the Zoom call or whatever platform you are using. This is how my makeup looks like this morning, guys. I spent literally, well, like 15 minutes because I was talking to you guys, but literally you can do this in 10 minutes. It's very fast, very nice. It looks very fresh and you can personalize this based on what you like to wear. The additional step that I'm doing, and this is basically every morning, I'll make sure that I woke up a bit earlier to have time to apply falsies. I love to have false lashes. I have this thing since I was a kid. My lashes are short, are rare, and I feel like those false lashes look amazing, especially because I'm wearing glasses. So from the moment I put my glasses on, the makeup will be more faded. So applying some, and I have my ring light on my glasses, reflecting on my glasses as well. But from the moment I apply the falsies, you will see the difference. The makeup will look very, very nice. I'm gonna look like I put a lot of effort, but actually I didn't, if you know what I mean. So I'm gonna go to apply my falsies, and then I'll get back to you with the final impression. Cool, so my lashes are on, baby. I really like these lashes because they look natural and they are suitable for my hooded eyes. I have very small eyes, I have hooded eyes, as I mentioned. So I need some very small and natural lashes. Of course, you can find some other models as well, but I really like these eyelashes. And from the moment I put my glasses on, you won't see the makeup look that intense, which is something that I really like. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and please let me know in the comments down below what is your makeup ritual when you are getting ready to have a call at work, a video call, and you want to look fresh, professional and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Spread the beauty, take care, and see you next time. Bye!